Hey guys, so today we're going to do SAT Math. And our topic is going to be trig functions. Okay, so I know I've already done a video on this already, but to emphasize its importance, I've decided to make another video with just talking about the three major trig functions that we've already talked about. And hopefully this helps emphasize how important they are and how they could help on the SAT. Alright, so let's get started. Okay, so I really hope you guys remember what toa is, because this is very important in trig and will help a lot in the long run. So, just to emphasize its importance, I'm going to rewrite exactly what it means. So it means the sine of the angle is equal to the opposite over the hypotenuse. The part means the cosine of the angle is equal to the adjacent over the hypotenuse. And the toa part means the tangent of the angle is equal to the opposite over the adjacent. Please remember this. It will be very useful. So, using triangles, let's see how we can explain this. So, triangles will help us a lot. And remember one key rule. It needs to be a right triangle. This is very important to know. It needs to be a right triangle. If it's not a right triangle, you cannot use sine, cosine, or tangent to find other values for that angle. So, let's say we have a theta right there. We have values of 2, 3, and let's say this is 5. Making up numbers now. So, let's say we want to find the sine of this angle. We would use which is opposite over hypotenuse, which is equal to 3 over 5, because this is the opposite side to the angle, and this is the hypotenuse of the triangle. Let's say we want to find the tangent of this angle. We would use the toa part of this, which is the opposite over adjacent. And that is equal to 3 over 2. Now let's say we want the cosine of this angle. So cosine means the part, which is adjacent over the hypotenuse. And that is equal to 2 over 5. So, that is all you need to know for the basic trigonometry functions and how they will help you in the long run and why they are very important. So, please keep these in mind. Now, I want to go over something just as important, actually. 2 types of triangles. I know I've already made a video about this and how they are important, but I want to go over this again in this video. So, we have something in trigonometry, we have something called special triangles. So, one special triangle is called the 30, 60, 90 triangle. Okay? 30, 60, 90 means that it has special side lengths. So the side lengths are x, x root 3, and 2x. What it means is that the 60-90 degree line, meaning the line that has the 60 degree and the 90 degree, has a value of x. Therefore, the line with the 90 and 30 degree has a length of 3, the root time, it has a side length of x times the square root of 3. And if those two are possible, then the hypotenuse of the triangle has a length of 2x. Okay, so remember this is very important. So let's go on to another special triangle. This is the 45, 45, 90 triangle. Same thing as the last triangle, except side lengths this time. The 45, 45 line will have a length of x. Therefore, the other 45, 45, 45, 90 line will have a value of x. And if those two are true, then the hypotenuse of the triangle will have a side length of x root 2. So, now let's do a couple of problems using these two triangles. So, let's say we have a 30, 60, 90 triangle, and we are given that this length here is 6 units long, 6 units, and we are told to find A and B. Well, to do these problems, the best method would be to draw out a small 30-60 triangle, 30, 60, 90 triangle, x root 3, and 2x. Okay, so we know from geometry that if the angles are the same, then these two triangles are congruent, meaning that the 2x and the 6 are corresponding. So we can also write this as 2x is equal to 6. If we solve for x, we get x is equal to 3. Meaning, if x is equal to 3 there, that means a is equal to 3. Therefore, a is equal to 3. And we know a rule of that. The 30 and 90 degree line is x root 3. Therefore, b is equal to 3 root 3. So, let's write this out more clearly. A is equal to 3, and b is equal to 3 root 3. And that's it for this video, guys. Thanks for watching, and have a great day.